clothes washer operates as follows. To operate the clothes washer, open the door, place the dirty clothes inside, close the door, open the detergent tray, use the liquid detergent, and pour an amount into this drawer container on the left. Close the drawer tightly. Select the wash from any of the pre-selected, or simply select the power on, and it will give you the option on temperature, spin, and soil. Temperature can be adjusted as so, soil as so. When you're ready to start, simply press and hold this button here as the machine does its countdown, 3, 2, 1, and starts.